Hello all, welcome to Paritranaya. In this video, we shall discuss about Ramsar wetlands. From UPSC examination point of view, wetlands is a very important topic. But do we need to prepare for thousands of wetlands which are present in India? No. So there are few wetlands which have got a global recognition under the Ramsar Convention. So we only need to know about these wetlands. So there are 75 such wetlands which have got global recognition under the Ramsar Convention. So Ramsar is a city in Iran. So in this city, the convention was signed, hence the name Ramsar Convention. In the first go, we shall understand the list of wetlands which have got global recognition, and in the next round, we shall see the other information which is important with respect to these wetlands. So we shall begin with the list. We have Sundarban wetland in the state of West Bengal, Vembanad Kol, Kerala, Chilika Lake, Odisha, Satkosia, Odisha, Kolleru Lake, Andhra Pradesh, Hirakud Reservoir, Odisha, Bhitarkanika, Odisha, Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu, Point Kelimere, Tamil Nadu, Loktak Lake, Manipur, Upper Ganga River, Uttar Pradesh, Sambar Lake, Rajasthan, Ullar Lake, Jammu and Kashmir, Pongdam Lake, Himachal Pradesh, East Kolkata Wetlands, West Bengal, Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Gujarat, Somorari Lake, Ladakh, Sokar Wetland Complex, Ladakh, Haidarpur Wetland, Uttar Pradesh, Thane Creek, Maharashtra. One more very important is already we have arranged these wetlands in the decreasing order of their sizes. So the largest wetland in India is Sundarbans, followed by Vembanad Kol. Even this information is important. So sometimes they may ask which of the following is the largest wetland. Okay, so we need not do the large to small for all the wetlands. Only if we remember the top 5 wetlands, that would be more than sufficient. So Sundarbans is the largest wetland. Next is Vembanad Kol, Chilika Lake, Satkosia, Kolleru. Okay, it would be more than sufficient. Next. Next we have Bees Conservation Reserve in Punjab, Ashtamudi Lake in Kerala, Harike Lake in Punjab, Deeper Beel in Assam, Boj Wetlands in Madhya Pradesh, Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary Uttar Pradesh, Keolidio Ghana National Park, Rajasthan, Kabartala Wetland Bihar, Pala Wetland Mizoram, Shalbug Wetland Jammu and Kashmir, Pichavaram Mangrove Tamil Nadu, Nandur Madhveshwar Maharashtra, Hokera Wetland Jammu and Kashmir, Rupar Lake Punjab, Tamil Nadu, we have Palikarnai Marsh Reserve Forest, Yashwant Sagar, Madhya Pradesh, Hyagam Wetland, Jammu and Kashmir, Samaspur Bird Sanctuary, Uttar Pradesh. Next, Parvati Agra Bird Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh, Thol Lake Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat, Wadhwana Wetland in Gujarat, Saman Bird Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh, Ranganthittu Bird Sanctuary in Karnataka, Kijadia Wildlife Sanctuary Gujarat, Asan Conservation Reserve Uttarakhand, Sur Sarovar Uttar Pradesh, Lonar Lake Maharashtra, Bindavas Wildlife Sanctuary Haryana, Sastam Kota Lake Kerala. So very important because this had appeared in prelims 2022. Surinsar Mansar Lake Jammu and Kashmir, Keshopur Miani Community Punjab, Sandeep Bird Sanctuary Uttar Pradesh, Tampara Lake Odisha, Chitragundi Bird Sanctuary Tamil Nadu, Sakya Sagar Madhya Pradesh, Rudra Sagar Tripura. So this also important because in 2022 it had also appeared in the prelims. Ansupa Lake Odisha, Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary Uttar Pradesh, Kanjli Lake Punjab, Sirpur Wetland Madhya Pradesh. Sarsai Nawar Jheel Uttar Pradesh, Sultanpur National Park Haryana, Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary Punjab, Vadur Bird Sanctuary Tamil Nadu, Kanjiran Kulam Bird Sanctuary Tamil Nadu, Suchindran Terur Tamil Nadu, Vellode Bird Sanctuary Tamil Nadu, Kuntakulam Bird Sanctuary Tamil Nadu, Karikili Bird Sanctuary Tamil Nadu, Chandratal Wetland Himachal Pradesh, Udyamarthandapuram Tamil Nadu, Nanda Lake Goa, Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary Tamil Nadu, Renuka Wetland Himachal Pradesh. Also this wetland has appeared as part of prelims 2022 question paper. Finally, Vembanur Wetland Complex. Okay. So in the first round, what we have seen the list of Ramsar wetlands in India and the corresponding states where they are present. In the next round, what information is required is generally they frame a question like this. So which of the following rivers provide the water source to these wetlands? So such kind of questions can be framed. For example, if I take Harike wetland of Punjab, so we have a Harike wetland of Punjab, which is a Ramsar wetland, as we have seen. So two rivers supply water to it. One is Satluj, another one is Beas or Byas. So similarly, for all the Ramsar wetlands, we need to know about the important water sources. So when I say important water sources, we should only look into the important rivers which are present in the NCERT. We need not focus on all the small streams, because UPSC will not be focusing on such small streams which are present in India. So if at all a very important river acts as a water source to a Ramsar wetland, then that will become important and we have to note it down. So this much information would be sufficient to tackle any kind of questions related to Ramsar wetlands. Okay. So similarly, in the subsequent video, we will be discussing about all the other important topics related to environment and geography. For all our further updates, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.